Hi everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for welcoming me into your home today. I am so excited. I ordered one of Petra's, from Petra's Happy Place. I ordered one of her mystery bags. And it came this morning. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right. When I saw the big purple bag, I thought, oh my God, that's from Petra. I'm going to use my purple scissors to crack open this bag. And we're going to look at it together. I'm so excited. Can you tell? All right, first, oh my gosh, I see so many wonderful things. Oh. Let me see, did she put a card in here? Hang on. Is there a card or something? Oh, is there a note? I can't find one. Oh wait, nope. But look at the size of this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I see some really exciting things right off the hop. Okay. Calm down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, look. Oh my goodness. I'm in Canada. We cannot get these big twists here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's sparkly. All right, it's called Big Twist Twinkle, 380 yards, 170-gram ball. Oh my goodness. Medium 4. Suggested hook is a 5mm, and same with needles. 97 acrylic, 3% polyester, and the color is mulberry. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, look at the sparkles. Oh, thank you, Petra. I get to touch yarn that Petra has touched. So excited. I'm going to link Petra below. Petra's Happy Place. She's such a wonderful human being. So wonderful. Here's another one. Okay. 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Whew. Oh, a Red Heart Super Saver. Ombre. Did you hear me? Ombre. I love ombre yarn. Oh, look at the colors. Gorgeous. All right, this is a 283 gram, 482 yards. It is a medium 4. Recommended hook is a 5.5. Needle is 5, 100% acrylic. 5 as in 5mm. And I was kind of laughing at the name Hot Sauce. Hot Sauce. Beautiful. Oh, love it. Love it. There's 1, 2. Oh, wait, that's not the same color here. Okay, there's 2 of those. 2 of those. Hot sauce. All right, now we have, oh, I love this yarn. That's something else we cannot get here. I love this yarn. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. All right, okay, where am I going? Where am I going? 5, oh, wait. 100% acrylic. How much is in here? It is soft. It is soft. Where's the yardage? Do we have a yardage? Where's the yardage? Whew. Okay, I can't find the yardage. Oh, here. 199 grams, 355 yards. What's the size? Oh my goodness. Okay. Color name is Terracotta. That's gorgeous. I think it's a little darker than what it's showing there. Okay, 5mm needle, 5.5 hook. Oh, it's a medium 4. That's gorgeous. 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 Whew. Gorgeous. Ooh. Look at this one. This is Sun Gold. I love this yarn. Sun Gold. Same stats as the other one. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Oh my God. There's some yarn bee. Soft and sleek. Low pill fiber. Gorgeous blue. Gorgeous blue. 5 ounces, 232 yards. Low pill fiber. 100% low pill acrylic. 142 grams, 232 yards. Needle is 5mm. Recommended hook is 6mm. Medium 4. And color is teal blue. I don't know if that's really teal blue, but yarn bee. We can't get that here in Canada. Oh, and it is kind of, it's soft. It's soft. Oh, so exciting. What else? Oh, another yarn bee. Oh, this color is ivory. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, and there's still more. Here's another blue, a teal blue one. Oh, another teal blue. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of room here on my table. Oh my goodness, here's another one. To me, it looks royal blue in my camera. I don't know how it's showing up for you guys, but it's called teal blue. So my US family would know. Oh, I found a card. Would know exactly what color that is. Here's another ivory. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Amazing. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, there's 3 blue, 2 ivory. Oh, there's 4 blue. 4. Oh, yarn bee. So excited. So happy. Thank you so much, Petra. Yeah, it's another teal blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. You know what? I was going to make something. Never mind. I will tell you in another video. But oh my gosh, okay, I found something here. I'm gonna just shake this bag out in case there's some money. Just kidding. Sorry about the way I looked at it. I already apologized for my hair. I've got, this is bed head. Actually doesn't look that bad, right? All right, so that's me. I don't know if I can read this on camera, but oh, what a cute card. I think I could read this. Look at, so cute, right? A llama or alpaca, I don't know, but it's so cute. And then she just wrote, Darla, I really hope you like these yarns. Thank you for your support. Your friendship means so much to me, and I'm so thankful the Lord allowed our paths to cross. Petra. Oh, me too, sweetie. Me too. Oh, I love you so much. And I love all the yarn you sent me. Oh my goodness. All the yarn in this mystery bag is amazing. I love it all. I love it all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it all. Look at these sparkles. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Thank you everyone for joining me, and watching my excitement. You know, I'm like a kid Christmas morning, I swear. Oh, when my doorbell rang, I'm like, oh, I flew off my chair. Well, first I looked outside and I saw the, whatever truck it was, UPS or whatever it was. And I'm like, oh my God. And then I opened the door and I saw a purple bag. I'm like, oh my gosh, I know who that's from. All right, thank you so much. So I'm going to link Petra's Etsy shop. That's where she has these mystery bags listed. So I'll link that below. And if you want to buy one, by all means. I mean, if you've been following Petra, I mean, she shows amazing yarn on her channel, and she's a crocheter, a crochet sister, and I love her to pieces. I love you, Petra. So everyone, go subscribe to her. All right, bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna hug my yarn. Oh, all right, bye.